Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the HDTV for your smartphone. So I'm not sure if it's even gonna work or not. So let's go ahead and get this started. So this is by TZUMI Watch Live Free HDTV on smartphone and tablets. This is a crystal clear image, no internet or data needed. And that is the app that you need to download, MagicTV. Simply pair your device and watch free TV. This is for best reception result, use outdoor or next to window. Digital TV tuner for smartphone and tablets. Here's an external and internal antenna design, 3000 milliamp battery, up to 5 hours watch time to watch a. So it says retail price is about $35, and I got it for $12.99. So I figure why not? This is something new, so I'm gonna try to see if it works or not. So this one has a Wi-Fi built-in. It's a B-band, G-band, M-band, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It is compatible with the iOS and Android system. And here is the external antenna. I'm not sure is it magnetic or not. So let's go ahead and cut this open. Oh, it is taped in. Come with this clear tape that was taped in. It's kind of hard to remove. Hopefully this is magnetic. Let me check. Yep, it is magnetic antenna. So you can mount this anywhere that it has maybe on top of your car or something, or anywhere with the metal surface. And there are two connectors. One is a USB connector and the other one is the antenna. Oh, you could unscrew this one too as well, in case you have a longer antenna that you can mount it. But you gotta make sure you have the same size. Or same thread. And then this is the unit. So let's say you could use this as a power bank. This is your USB output. I guess to charge your phone. And this is a micro USB charge input. I'm not sure it comes with the charger or not. And here is the instruction booklet or user manual. Let's check it out real quick. Also, this one has a battery indicator for the LED, shows the battery level. And this one has a built-in antenna, either built-in, you can use a built-in which is turned to the right switch, or use an external antenna when you switch to the left. So this is a built-in antenna right here. Let's see. What? Cool. So this has a retractable built-in antenna, but I'm not sure if this is gonna get any reception. We'll need to test this out. At first I thought it was a LED. And right here it shows you how to use it, how to set it up with the Magic TV app. So before with the HDTV, I have a problem scanning the channel and with my regular TV, so I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. So we're going to do this review on the next video and let you guys know. Alright. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys like this unboxing video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.